So looking at the store now, I know it's different, but the layout, is this the entrance? Still the same entrance?
This is the entrance.
Did Amanda show you the archival photo that we have with you in it?
This one here.
Oh, yes.
Can I see?
That is me, believe it or not.
Yeah.
Okay.
I love this photo.
Can
It's
I
hard
see
for me
really
to-
great.
to
Can I see
recognize
that?
myself.
Did you sell those or were those just for staff?
Oh, they're nice and big there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Little
no,
bigger
that was
there.
just for
No,
staff. I forget
that's
where I
good.
got
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know where.
And how did you get the word out? Was it just we put up a banner and just word of mouth?
Pretty much. I don't even know if we got the banner up in time, but we opened on a weekend, on a Saturday afternoon, and women came. Women came, and we had what did we know about a bookstore? Nothing. So we went down to the wholesalers. We knew there was a book wholesalers, and we went down and we picked out books. We picked out one copy of this book and one copy of that book. I mean, they thought we were crazy, you know. You're going to have a bookstore with one copy of every book. I mean, it's ridiculous. But what did we do? We didn't know what to get. So that's what we did the first time we went down. And then we came home, we put them on the shelves, we opened the doors, and all of these women rushed in, picking up any book that, you know, just... And that was the first weekend. The second weekend we had been back, and so this time we had 2 or 3 copies of every book instead of just one. But the same thing happened. Still, hordes of women. And the magazines were up here, and the children's book area was up here.
Children's books, that's interesting.
Yes, you had a whole children's section, which was deliberately up front so that women could see it was there and come in
Yeah.
if they were too scared to come in otherwise, which some women were, you know.
We have heard from women who said that their mothers took them here and they had very fond memories of
Oh,
coming
that's
here.
good.
Yeah,
That's good.
yeah. So it was
Yeah.
nice to hear.
Yeah.
So what was the back of the
This
store?
has
Right.
Okay. There was the public section, and then there was the private section,
Okay.
which was, you know, like this. There'd be a private section here, and the whole rest of the store was the public section.
Yeah. Right.
And the public section had all of the books that were on shelves and so on. Places for people to sit. And sometimes we had art exhibits. And then the private section was where the work got done.
Yeah.
We had to come and stock books and
Yeah.
take inventory and all of that. And then we also did mailing. We had mail order, so that we had a mail order desk that was in the back there somewhere. And there may have been something in the basement. There must have been, but I don't know very well.
Did it go the wall over there, the width of this space?
I don't understand what all that is.
Okay.
That's nonsense.
Yeah,
It
are
was
we?
nothing like that.
It's been subdivided.
We didn't have fluorescent lights like that.
Yeah.
So is this the front of
The
this
counter was
photo?
over here.
Oh,
That's
here.
a good idea.
Photo? Is
That's a
the-
good idea.
Yeah.
Well, this is okay. Here is the back wall.
Uh-huh.
Here.
There you go.
There you go.
Okay, so that yellow is the back wall, and you can see it
That's over
continues into the overstock section.
Got it.
Or maybe that's not the overstock. Maybe that's the real. Anyway, somewhere in there was the wall between the public and the private.
Okay.
And this is, of course, the reading table for the people to use. They could take notes and so on. And the sales counter was up here somewhere. We had some rituals. One ritual we had was that on our birthday, the birthday party, we would have a big sale, and an awful lot of women would come and spend all of their money on it, and it was just insane, you know, the amount of books. And you would think, you know, that it wouldn't be such a good idea because they were slightly on sale, you know, they were a little cheaper, but it got us a lot of women, and we had a nice time. We had a big cake every time that women ate when they came in on that day, and so that was a good memory.